name's Leslie Reichert and I'm the cleaning coach. You can go to greencleaningcoach.com to see more tips and tricks just like the one we're going to talk about today. Today we're going to work on some of the buildup that you might have on your vinyl floor. Yes, I'm on my hands and knees. Sometimes there's no better way to do it, but this is what you have to do to get that buildup off your floor. Here's everything we need. What I have is a spray bottle of white vinegar. No water, just pure white vinegar. What I'm going to do though is I'm going to add a little lemon oil to it because I'm not a real big fan of the smell of vinegar, and it's going to cancel out the smell of the vinegar. So just a few drops in the vinegar, and that's going to make it smell nice for us. Now what we're going to use is the white vinegar, and we're going to spray it right on the vinyl floor. And what it's going to do, it's the acid in the vinegar that's going to break down any of the wax or dirt buildup that you have. And you're going to have to use a scrubby sponge. This is very slow and meticulous work, but it's going to pay off in the end. All you're going to do, work in a circle, let the vinegar do the work. Maybe walk away for a few minutes, come back, and do it one little square foot at a time and work your way around the floor. If you have a steam cleaner, that would be absolutely awesome. The steam will actually work with the white vinegar and it'll activate it so it'll break through any of the wax buildup you might have. You can also try a little bit of borax in there with the vinegar. That will actually boost the power of the vinegar and work a little better to get that wax buildup for you. So these are tips and tricks you can try home. After you're all done, what you want to do is just take a nice wet microfiber cloth and wipe up everything, and your floor is going to look great. Don't put another layer of wax down on top of it. Just start using microfiber and water to clean it. My name is Leslie Reichert and I'm the cleaning coach. You can see more of these tips at greencleaningcoach.com, and I wish you happy cleaning.